Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are unable to use your laptop fingerprint scanner and if you are getting this kind of error, we could not find the fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Finger. In this video, I will show you how to resolve this issue. So let's start. The first thing you can try is open your Windows services. So click on your Windows icon and now type services. Click on this services option. Now these are the Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Biometric Service. So first search for Windows Biometric Service. This is the service we need. Right click on it, then click on properties. And one important thing, make sure the startup type will be automatic, not manual. Then click on apply. After that, stop this service. Now again, start this service. That's it. Now click on OK. Cut this window. After that, restart your laptop and check. Now move on to our next method. If you are still getting the same issue, open your device manager, Windows Device Manager. So right click on your Windows icon and you will see the option here, Device Manager. Click on it. Now you will see this kind of window. So these are the drivers in my system. You have to search for a driver called biometric fingerprint or fingerprint driver. So in my device manager, there is no fingerprint scanner related driver. So what you have to do is cut this window, open your C drive, then open your Windows folder. Now you have to search for a folder called System32. This is the folder, open it. Now search for a folder WinBio plugin. So scroll down and you will see here WinBio plugin. Open that folder. Now you will see this folder face driver. Open that folder as well. Now we need this setup Hello Face. In the type section you can see his type setup information. So right click on Hello Face and you will see this option install. Click on it to install this Hello Face driver. That's it. The operation completes successfully. Click on OK. Cut this window. Now open Device Manager again. Right click on it. Then click on Device Manager. After that, click on this option, scan for the hardware changes. And now you can see this is my biometric devices. Now it is showing. Expand this option and this is my driver. Now my driver is showing properly. If I check my fingerprint scanner status now, and you can see the error has been resolved. Now I can set up my fingerprint scanner. But if you are still getting the same issue, what you have to do is right click on the driver, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. This will update your fingerprint scanner driver. Click on close. And if you are still getting the same issue, the next step you can try is again right click on it, then click on uninstall device. Do not tick this option. Click on uninstall. After that, cut this window and restart your laptop and it will fix your issue. One more method you can try is always update your operating system. So click on your Windows icon and type update. And you will see this option, update, check for updates. Click on it. So my laptop is already updated, but the point is always update your operating system. It will also update your driver, your system drivers. So these are the few things you can try to fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.